Need to get the passport.
Yeah.
Border crossing. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we made it to our fourth country. Yeah, and we're in Bosnia right now. Thanks to these guys who took us. So looking forward to it. The weather is not that nice, but still, it's gonna be awesome. Country number 4 and we made it to Bosnia. Oh, yeah.
Someone is tired here. Because normally she gets her daily doses of sleep in the cars, but we haven't been hitchhiking very long today. So, gotta sleep somewhere in the park. Hello, biatch. We are now crossing the river Una. Very motivated, and we hope to be in Una National Park and see this river maybe 20 kilometers upstream in the national park tomorrow.
National Park, 2 times National Park.
So, now we take shelter here from the rain, and it's not normal rain, it's heavy rain. Heavy! Yeah, it's not always rainbows and butterflies. We got some serious rain here, and yeah, we don't know whether we're gonna shoot tonight. We didn't find a couchsurfer in Bihać, and yeah, I mean, I'm confident because I know there's always something that comes up or the rain stops and we can pitch our tent, but in a rain like this, our tent will not survive an hour. Or the tent will, but not our stuff inside. So yeah, that's also part of traveling, I guess. But it makes you appreciate the sunny days a lot more.
Okay, after several minutes of walking in the rain, we found very good spots, but we found also this like 2 garages, and we asked the owner here if we could sleep over, and he said yes, and now we settle in and that's where we're gonna sleep tonight. Thank you very much for letting us stay, and he even invited us over for some coffee, so that's where we're gonna go now. Morning. After, I don't know, 8 hours of sleep and on the floor, yeah, finally ready to get up, right? No. The weather forecast says it's gonna rain. Let's see if we make it to the national park or go to McDonald's for the entire day. Are you motivated? Babe. Are you motivated? Grandig. Crisp breakfast. We have lentils, bread, and sunflower seeds mixed all together. Ooh, and carrots.
We got some serious fog out here, and this lady is kindly driving us all the way to the national park entrance.
So a lady took us with her car, and now she invited us to her home, and it's super nice. Voila! Thank you so much for taking us in. That's what we needed after a cold night.
Did you say she was hit by a grenade?
No.
And she lost one leg, so now she's in a wheelchair. She's really independent.
Yeah, you can see she's doing pretty good. So, what are we having? Banana bread
Banana strawberry cake.
and
Baklava.
baklava. Thank you, voila. So Ismeta dropped us at the hiking trail where we go to the river Una. It's a national park here, and of course Bernie is taking a piss.
After an hour of hiking, we found out that if you take Ulac 2, the second entrance to the national park, you can skip the entry fee and visit this beautiful place for free. It's, by the way, right on the Croatian-Bosnian border. So Croatia is right over there. It's really quite a stunning place to be.
Okay, so we just returned from the waterfalls and we came to the lady that offered us to stay for the night. And now she started washing Alex's shoes because they were quite muddy. And we, of course, told her that it's not necessary. But since there's quite a big language barrier, she didn't accept or saying that we will do it on our own. Now she's been standing in the shower for 5 minutes and washes our shoes. Crazy. Hvala Bosnia.
Something with the egg and gurek. Oh, voila.
Okay, so this lady that picked us up and that made our day so far, she just told us that she will bring us to Martin Brod, which is another massive waterfall, which is around a 40-minute drive away from our place. And she just insisted to show us the beautiful region here. So, yeah, thank you so much, old lady. We appreciate it, and yeah, you showed us how hospitable the people here are. Liebt zu baden. Okay, good morning. It's day 8. 1 week. We're 1 week in.
Yay!
And we're currently with this amazing Bosnian grandma, and she invited us for everything. She's cooking
Got eggs,
lunch, dinner, and
self-made
breakfast.
bread.
It's insane.
Thank
We
you for the
feel
kind
like kings.
invitation. Yeah.
She made this bread herself.
And queens.
Yeah. That's all. Now we're leaving this old lady, and even the weather gods are friendly today. It was supposed to be rainy, but we take it.
Take it, yeah.
So, we have been waiting for half an hour, and so has the lady that doesn't want to let us go into the unknowns.
It puts a lot of pressure on us,
Yeah.
and it seems to not be working to get a car.
And in this truck over there, there's around 50 sheep. So
It's like
maybe you can
all the time.
So yeah, motivation is high as always. Bitte.
It's still on the same road with our grandma here. And the sheep moved. I think it's an hour now. And yeah, we don't know if we missed something like a different hitchhiking rule here. But no one wants to take us, but there are many cars going by. I mean, it doesn't look like it right now, but there are many cars. Yeah.
The waiting has come to an end. We love you.